Hi guys! So for today's video, original plan was gagawa lang ako ng lip swatch nung updated collection ko. These are not new products. These are not like new release. Gusto ko lang i-update kayo sa collection ko ng Everbelena liquid lipstick, yung limited edition. This one, you guys. And I forgot, I don't know why, pero nakalimutan ko na these lippies are really good. These are mask friendly. These are really pigmented and very long lasting and very affordable, you guys. So meron akong first video about these. Meron akong lip swatch. I'm gonna link it down below. Go watch it, you guys, kung gusto nyong makita yung other shades na hindi kasama dito. Pero eto lang yung mga shades na nirelease nila after kong ginawa yung first video. And recently ko lang na-achieve ng bonggang-bongga. Recently ko lang na-getching. And I wanted to do a video highlighting this one because ang ganda nito, guys. Super duper affordable. And hindi siya like yung parang usong formula ngayon na creamy and alam mo yun, parang easy to glide on. Medyo malapit yung formula niya sa kinda close sa Super Stay Matte Ink. Tapos, haluan mo ng KJM Cosmetics. Parang mga ganon. So, it's kinda tacky. It's kinda like a thick mousse or a thick cream. Ganon. Pero, I swear to God, I kid you not. Pag yon nag-set na sa lips mo, pag yon parang, it takes like probably mga 15 to 20 minutes para mag-set talaga siya. After 15 to 20 minutes on your lips na wala kang ginagawa, it's going to be kiss-proof, it's going to be transfer-proof, mga 90% or 85%, ganun. So, mask-friendly to, guys. And super pigmented and ang ganda nung parang shades na hindi ko pa na-swatch. So, yun. Anyway, that was the original plan. Pero, ayoko naman like, yun lang yung gagawin natin, just this one. So, sasamahan ko na rin ng makeup tutorial that is parang New Year's celebration friendly. So, we're going to be like, you know, sparkly and cute by the end of this video. So, I did my brows na off-cam kasi it's just the same thing. So, I'm going to do my base muna. After my base, mag-lip swatch tayo para wala pa akong eyeshadow and mali-lip swatch na natin ite. And then after that, I'm going to proceed with the finished look. Good plan? Okay.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body.
Okay, so before we proceed with the makeup, you guys, mag-lip swatch muna tayo ng bonggang-bongga. So again, I'm going to lip swatch yung EB Advanced Limited Edition or Limited LTD liquid lipstick. Okay, so the first shade is called Skinny Dip. Looks like this. So this is what Skinny Dip looks like, you guys, and it's a nude color. Not, it's kind of neutral. I can't say that it's cool tone kasi medyo, yeah, it's in the middle. Neutral talaga siya. Neutral na pinky nude. Pinky beigey nude. I think this would work dun sa mga slightly above medium to hanggang fair light skin tones. Morena, it's kind of it's kind of matingkad. Like, it's kind of bright. Hindi siya muted and it's neutral. So, alam mo yun, I'm not sure if this is going to work to our Morena beauties out there. Baka mag-stand out talaga siya. Alam mo yun. It's not my favorite, but it's good to finally be able to swatch it for you guys. After what? 3 years ago na yung... Was it? Yeah, 3 years ago na yung first lip swatch ko ng product na ite. Itong line na to specifically. So yeah, this is the shade Skinny Dip. Next shade, you guys, is called Tiramisu. And this is what it looks like. I like this shade because it's brown. It has a little bit of... It's peachy brown. And then it's muted. It's not like shouting peachy. Kung dumating sa nito, before I did my best of brown lippies, I could have included this because I really love the formula of this line of liquid lipstick, you guys. And this shade is really, really gorgeous. So yeah, this is Tiramisu. So next shade is called Moroccan Spice. And this is what it looks like sa packaging. Oh my god, you guys, Moroccan Spice is really nice. You know what, Ever Bilena, I feel like this is underrated, so underrated in the makeup industry. Ever Bilena should relaunch this. Like, give it a new packaging. Same formula, please. I really love the formula. But like, give it a new packaging and then, you know, come up with new shades. Kasi sayang talaga, guys. Ang ganda talaga nito. Hindi ko alam kung nawala siya sa limelight, pero ganda. Love this. I do recommend that you get this. This is Moroccan Spice. I think all of the skin tones will benefit from this shade. Last shade that I'm going to swatch is called Red Carpet. And then ito siya sa packaging. And if I remember correctly, dun sa first video ko, yung red, standout red doon is called Fire Opal. What did I say? Did I say Red Carpet? This is Red Carpet. Yeah. And I got confused. Nasa isip ko kasi yung Fire Opal. Yun kasi yung red color dun sa first video ko nito. So this is Red Carpet on my lips, you guys. And it's kind of... Nasa boundary siya ng... cherry, tomato, red, and you know, typical red-orange lippy. It's not my favorite, but it is perfect for the holidays, and I think some of you guys might really like this. Again, I love the formula, and if you let this stay on your lips ng mga 20 to 30, yes, 30 minutes, na wala kang ginagawa, dahil magiging ano to, kiss-proof, mask-friendly, and really long-lasting. It's the last shade, you guys. Red Carpet. Okay guys, so we are done with the lip swatch. Now I'm going to proceed now with the makeup tutorial. I'm not gonna make chica anymore. I'm just gonna let you enjoy like really good music.
You got me tripping. Ever since I saw you, I went slipping. Didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling. All I ever wanted, you I'm digging. It's how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me. I know nothing ever since I wanted you. I went dripping, never even wanted to. Couldn't even breathe without you. I ain't chilling, my head is spinning round. I went slipping, never even wanted you. Now I can't be without you. I wanna be
when you do all the things you do to me. You got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me. You got me reckless, got me reckless. When you do all the things you do to me. You got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me. You got me tripping ever since I saw you. I went slipping, didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing. Like nobody is watching us. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost. Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. A very quick makeup tutorial, and at the same time very quick lip swatch. I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.